This is going to be a video tutorial on how to enable or disable your activity status on the Instagram app using an iOS device. I will be using an iPhone for this. Let me jump over to my iPhone here. I have my phone opened up now and I am on Instagram. To enable or disable your activity status, first thing you want to do is go off to the upper right hand corner up to the 3-bar hamburger menu. You want to tap on that. Then you want to go down to the section where you see it says how others can interact with you. And the first thing there, messages and story replies, you want to tap on that. And then under who can see you're online, the first thing, show activity status. You want to tap on that. And this toggle right here, by default, it's probably enabled like you see mine is. I'm going to toggle it off. Now my activity status is disabled. And to enable it, you just toggle it right back on. That is how to enable or disable your activity status on Instagram using an iOS device. Thanks for watching.